Welcome, I'm Ulrika. I created this course because as busy working women, we just go through our workday without coming back to ourselves. We just push through, and at the end of the day, we're exhausted. In this mini course, I'll give you the tools to help you fit in a short mental break in your workday, to go from overwhelmed to energized whenever you need it. The good news is that you can do this wherever you are, at your desk, between meetings, at lunch, when you travel, or anytime during the day. Here's how you get started. 3 simple steps. First, download the meditation calendar. It's important to commit to do this more than once, so the calendar is a useful reminder. Hang it up underneath your screen so that you can see it every day. Mark today as the day you start, and then mark 2 more days this week where you do another meditation. Next, put on your earphones, click the start button for the first meditation. I will guide you through. It's a short 3-minute meditation, but oh so powerful. All you need to do is to listen and follow along. Third, done. And you're now ready to go off to your next meeting, feeling calm and energized. Lastly, you have unlimited access to these meditations, so you can use them as many times as you want. Go download that meditation calendar now and start the first meditation. Enjoy.